how to fix brightness problem in Windows 11. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go on our search bar and then search for settings. So once you open your settings right there, click on the Windows Update and then make sure that your Windows is up to date right there. So as you can see, my Windows is not on the latest version. So if you are also not on the latest version, make sure that you are on the latest version. So just update it right there. And then of course, you can now try to adjust the brightness by just clicking the keys on your keyboard. And if it is not working, of course, you can just click the Windows A and then you can adjust it manually right here. Now, if it is still not working, the next thing that we can do is to go here on the system and then click on display. Once you are now here on the brightness, just click the drop down menu right there if you have enabled the auto brightness in your PC in your Windows 11. So if it is turned on, all you have to do is to turn that off and that should fix your problem. However, if it is still not working, the next thing that we can do is to go again on the search bar and then search for Device Manager. After that, just click enter and then click OK. And then once you're now here, just click the display adapters right here. So click the drop down menu and then on this part, just look for your graphics and then right click on it and then click properties. Once you go there, just click on the driver and then click the update driver if your graphics is not on the latest version. So just update it, and once you have updated it, just click OK and restart your PC. So that is basically it. Once you do that, it should now fix your problem. So that is how to fix brightness problem in Windows 11.